Welcome back to my channel. IMO Algebra Solution. Now we have to see this algebraic identity a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 4, a plus 5 divided by a minus 2, a minus 3, a minus 4, a minus 5 is equal to 1. So how we can solve this? So let us see solution. Here see. Here we have tried 2 plus 5 equal to 7 means we have tried 2 plus 5 equal to this 3 plus 4 becomes 7. 3 plus 4. So we have to write a plus 2, then a plus 5 bracket, then a plus 3 and a plus 4 as it is. Okay, so we have to see like that. So see here. Now a plus 2, then a plus 5 and then a plus 4 and a plus 3. We can write like this, no problem. Okay. Then a minus 2, a minus 5, then a minus 3, a minus 4 equal to 1. In this way we have to write. Then see here, multiply this to this. A into a square plus 2 into 5, a into a square, a into 5, that is 5a plus 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into 5, 10, bracket complete. In another bracket, a into a square plus a into 3, 3a plus 4 into a, 4a plus 4 into 3, 4 multiply 3, 12. Now divided by, here a multiply a square, a minus 5 means 5a minus 2a, 2 minus 2 into a, 2a minus 2 multiply minus 5, that is plus 10. In another bracket, a multiply a square minus a multiply minus 4, that is minus 4a, minus 3 multiply a minus 3a, minus 3 multiply minus 4, that is plus 12 equal to 1. Now a square 5a plus 2a, that is 7a plus 10 in bracket a square 3a plus 4a plus 7a plus 12 divided by, here a square, say 5a plus 5a 7a, 5a minus 2a, that is 7a minus 7a plus 10. Second bracket we can write here a square minus 4a minus 3, that is minus 7a plus 12 equal to 1. Now implies that we can write a square plus 7a. We can write 10 such that plus 11 minus 1. This we can write a square plus 7a plus 12, we can write 11 plus 1. Like that we can write. Then a square minus 7a, 10 we can write 11 minus 1. Then here a square minus 7a plus 11 plus 1. Here implies that Now here we have to do adjustment. After a square we have to write 11. We have to write here a square plus 11 plus 7a minus 1, like that we have to write here. Here also we have to write a square. Here we have to write a square plus 11 plus 7a plus 1, like that. Then we have to write here. Then we have to also same we have to write a square plus 11. A square after 11 we have to write minus 7a minus 1 we have to write here. Here we have to write a square plus 11 minus 7a plus 1 equal to 1. Now we have to consider this as a square. Now we have to consider this is minus b, and this we have to consider a plus b. This we have to consider a minus b. This we have to consider a plus b. Okay, so now a square plus 11 plus 7a whole bracket is square minus 1 square. Then we have to write a square plus 11 minus 7a whole square minus 1 square is equal to 1. As here, suppose x equal to a square plus 11 and y equal to 7a. Now put these values of x in this above algebraic identity. Now we have to write here x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square minus 1 divided by here x minus y whole square minus 1 equal to 1. Here we will use two identities, a plus b and a minus b identities we will use here. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now see here. Now apply this algebraic identity here. x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 1 divided by x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 1 equal to 1. Now doing here cross multiplication we have to apply here cross multiplication. So this quantity goes here and this quantity will remain this side. Now we have to apply here cross multiplication rule. So we get here x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 1 equal to this quantity goes here, multiplication with 1, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 1. Now transfer this quantity here this also this side, this also this side, and this also this side. Okay, so we get here x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 1 minus x square plus 2xy plus x square becomes minus x square minus 2xy becomes plus 2xy plus y becomes minus y square and minus 1 becomes plus 1 equal to 0. Now see here x square here x square will be cancelled, y square plus y square minus y square will be cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled, 2xy plus 2xy equal to 0. Now 4xy equal to 0, xy equal to 0. Now we know that the value of a is x and y is value of x is equal to a square plus 11, and here x is equal to a square plus 11 and y is equal to 7. So we have to put this value. X is equal to, we have to put here a square plus 11 and y is equal to 7, a is equal to 0. A square plus 11 equal to 0 and 7a equal to 0. Now here we can solve this. A square, this goes this side, equal to minus 11. Here under root a square is equal to under root minus 11. Square root cancel, so we get here a equal to under root 11 into under root minus 1. Now we can write here a equal to, we write a here, a equal to plus minus under root 11i. Here value of 7a equal to, here we can write 7a equal to 0, then divide both side by 7, so we get 7 cancel, a equal to 0, so value of a is 0. A equal to 0, a equal to under root 11 into y, a equal to minus 11i. Values of a equal to 0 and a equal to, these are the three values of a. Now see here, if you like this video, so you can subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Keep watching this video. We will meet in next video.